Shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck up. Yeah. And the unplugged. There was this one bright day, man, it's getting kinda lame to blame. All the pain inside is getting insane. What a shame you had to leave and go. You never told me why you ever did so. But now we know that your love ain't true. Even though you left, I still love you. But now I guess it's time to move on. Kiss away the loneliness and be gone. But tears come around every single night. I can't seem to figure out why we had to fight, why we had to scream and throw this love out. It seems like you wanted this, no doubt. So why did you have to go and leave me here all alone, feeling cold? You knew my heart was true just to you. So please say you're here to stay. Everyone who knew me knew the truth. Everyone could tell I was stupid about you. But the rumors that you spread on me in my bed taunt me and teased me and messed with my head. Sometimes I lay awake and picture us. Life by your side was nothing but a plus. I used to have a fantasy about us. Those days are gone with the wind like dust. My friends tell me how you played me for a fool. Gave me a taste, now all I do is drool. I'm a fool, so stupid, shot by fucking Cupid. I must have been drunk as hell when he shot it. Now this is how it is, this is how it goes. I'm here all alone, eyes glued to the phone. I pray to God 7 days a week, but I guess he's asleep or maybe just busy. I don't know what it is about you, your lips, your eyes, and your perfume. So sweet when I dream only about you. Damn how I wish all my wishes come true. Why did